this Italian film episode, we are off to Lake Tenno, Lake Ledro, and the old castle of Arco. We've got a film camera, a video camera, a little dog, and an ultra runner with us. We faced some challenges, missed some shots, but also took some of the prettiest pictures. So let's go back to the start of this exciting journey.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And go deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No.
Our journey started at Tenno Lake. Right from the start, we faced some challenges. Daphne, our dog, was scared to cross the lake, so we try and find a new path. But with the recent heavy rains, the lake was too full to walk around, so we tried to make the best of it. I took some photos, but the first 4, I just didn't like them.
You got someone new, I know it. Yeah, but I will keep on denying it. Gotta keep my emotions from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. Yeah, cause I go fast.
Despite a rocky start, I didn't stop clicking. As the day unfolded, I think my portraits improved significantly.
I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile.
On our way back to the car, I started taking more portraits and I'm really happy with those.
I'm undercover, wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. I'm messed up, oh yeah, I know it. All alone with mixed emotions. Yeah, gotta keep my temper from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all, fix it all, to fix it all. Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking.
Our next stop was Ledro Lake. Here I took photos of these ancient houses and the beautiful lake. I truly love these shots. We then moved to Arco village. After parking the car, we walked up to the old castle ruins, and this is where I took some of my favorite shots of the day. Finally, we ran downhill to catch our favorite ultra runner crossing the finish line. We ended the day tired but happy as we headed home. Hope you enjoyed these beautiful places and the photos that I took here. Don't forget to check out the next videos that are about to appear on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!
I would say we were good together.